Hi, this is Divya, Assistant Professor Biomedical Engineering Department in SNS College of Technology. In this video, we are going to see about the third generation of the CT. We have completely 5 generations. Now this is in the previous video we have seen the first and second. Now it is a third one. In the third generation CT, a scan takes a few seconds on average compared. Okay, compared to second generation CT where it takes an order of minutes. As I told you, the first generation CT takes an hour, second generation CT takes an order of minutes, and the third generation takes few seconds to take the images. Third generation CT survived as the base of modern CT for several reasons, but mainly the speed of acquisition and mechanical simplicity. Third generation CT is mainly is survived as the base of modern CT. It is the basic one for present modern CT for several reasons, but the main reason is that speed of acquisition and the mechanical simplicity. Okay, the modern CT is typically an X-ray source, an X-ray detector mounted in an arc facing the source. Okay, the modern CT systems may even include new configurations such as 2 tubes and 2 detectors mounted on the same gantry. Okay, it will have in modern CTs will have typically 2 X-ray source and X-ray detector mounted in the arc which is facing the source. Okay, and we'll have another new configuration also, including that we have 2 tubes and 2 detectors which is to be mounted on the same gantry. What is gantry is that the CT we have seen the CT scan, right? CT scan will have the round part, that is called gantry. Other state of an arc system now includes X-ray detector large enough to other state of an arc system now includes X-ray detector large enough to cover an entire organ. Example, the brain or the heart. We can completely cover whatever the organs to be scanned. Okay, either it may be in heart, either it may be in brain or lungs, whatever may be. Okay, in a single rotation of system, the complete organ can be scanned and it will be sliced particularly. It will be sliced, and each slices will be identified, and the complete organ will be scanned in a single rotation of a system. Okay, while some have made different classification systems, we believe that all these systems are based on third generation CT, where the X-ray source and the detectors are rigidly mounted on the gantry across from one another. Okay, if the CT source is present on the top, the detector will be present in the bottom, one another, opposite to one another. Okay, and the entire gantry will have a source and a detector. Okay, so the process will be very easy and it will be very quick. Within a fraction of seconds, we will be able to take the CT images in the third generation system. Okay, we don't introduce new generation terminologies for 2D system or whole organ coverage system. Okay, we can find how the third generation system looks like. We can see that with the end it will be in the round position, right? source and a detector, the round position completely will have the cross section, right? It has been sectioned. That is called the detector. Okay, in the image we can see that we have third generation and a fourth generation. Third generation, we have a minimum amount of detector. Once it is rotated, the detector will also be rotating the entire part. Entire gantry will have the source, it will be rotating, right? The CT scan will be rotating, so it completely rotate, and the particular organ which is to be scanned will be scanned in a fraction of seconds. And when comparing to the first generation, second generation, third generation will be having a minimum amount of time for scanning, and it will be the best one also. Thank you.